Welcome back. We are now in youtube.com and you'll notice that we are inside of the channel area, and you'll notice that there are some areas that you can enable your channel that will help you to be able to promote your podcast. Now in this particular case, you will want to have external annotations enabled. This will allow you to add links to your videos that will directly link to your iTunes podcast. Now, in order to use your annotations, you'll need to go to the end screen and annotations. And you can actually add in an element. You'll want to then add in a link to an approved website. Now, what you'll notice is that when you come to this link URL, you'll be able to put in an iTunes URL for a podcast. So let's do that right now. So we've grabbed a URL for an iTunes podcast, and we're just going to add that URL right into the link URL. And what you'll notice is that you will then be able to go to the next screen. Now you may be required to adhere to a character limit. Once you've done that, then you'll need to select the call to action. Now, YouTube specifically allows you to link to iTunes, and so this is where you will have an advantage being able to have your channel enabled for all of the features inside of external annotations. You can do the same thing with YouTube cards. You can actually add a YouTube card if you are enabled for external annotations where you can actually link to your iTunes podcast. And you'll see that you'll have a call to action and teaser text. You can then create the card. You will then be able to determine where the card actually appears in the video, and you can actually drag and drop that element inside of your video. And you can do this any number of times inside of a video, and it's a great way of being able to get people to see what you are actually talking about in your podcast, and they can actually get access to it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.